Hello my crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Saturday Morning Crafts, hosted by my friends Betty, who is Scrap Passion 01, and Markeisha, who is Sweet Papery Treasures here on YouTube. Hi ladies, thanks for hosting this collaboration. There are several talented ladies that are in this collaboration, so please check the description box below and follow along with this collaboration for the second Saturday of the month. All right, so for this Saturday, I chose to make some super cute treat boxes, and then I also made a paper purse. Let me start by sharing with you the dies that I used. I used this My Creative Time, and it is a scalloped, it's the large scallop stitched rosette die. I used this die right here from my stash, really pretty. And then I also used this treat box die. And please check the description box below. I will try to leave as many links to the products I used today in the description box. So check there for that. All right, so here is my first treat box that I made. And I used that paper from Michael's. I can't remember the name of the collection, but it's a recent one. And I just die cut out one of the cut aparts. It says, "You are rad." And I did use some of the bling. I picked this up at Hobby Lobby, and I just cut a little slit and then took one rhinestone and just decorated the front of the little cut apart. I used a circle die, and then I used that rosette die. This fun star trim is trim that I had picked up from AliExpress. I've shared this before. It's really pretty sparkly tool. And then this is what the treat box treat box looks like. And it's a really nice size treat box, and it's super cute. And you could put a bag of candy, and you just have to make sure that it's big enough so that it wouldn't fall out of the little opening right there. But I love the way it came out. So that's the first one. And then here's the second one that I made. And I did a unicorn themed one using that same collection pad from Michael's. This is tool that you can pick up from Hobby Lobby. This is where I use that circle nesting die set. Really pretty die set. And then I layered it circle, and then this, it's like a heart doily, and then the rosette. And I added a little bling to the unicorn. And this was a little cut apart, and I just fussy cut out the unicorn and stuck it up on some dimensionals and popped it up. And again, I have another really cute treat box ready to go. So really adorable. And then here is the last one, and this one just says yes, and I used some more of that bling, that really pretty rosette die, or the scalloped, and then the rosette, and then more fun tulle, which is from Hobby Lobby. And this is what this one looks like. It's absolutely adorable. I love that treat box die, super cute. All right, moving along. I did, let me just share with you the dies I used. I used this stamp set, and I used this set right here. And then I used the Our Daily Bread Petite Pocketbook. And then I also used, I'm sorry, I have all these dies in this one bin so I don't lose them, the Timeless Tote, which I shared with you a few weeks ago. So this is my next project that I want to share with you. I made a purse, and it came out absolutely adorable. Again, I think I used the same paper pad from Michael's, and forgive me, I can't remember the name of it, but this is the way it looks. And I was totally inspired by Bona. She had added a little bow to hers, and I thought that was a great idea. I added a tassel. The set does come with a tassel die, so I did use the tassel that came with the set. The front pocket, I just decided to leave it non-functional, but there is a die that creates the hinges where you can make it functional if you want to. And then this is the side. It has the cute little pockets where you could actually slide something in there if you wanted to. And then this is the back. Absolutely adorable, right? So every purse has to have a wallet, so I made the wallet, and look how cute. I got these blingy red lips. It's a sticker from Hobby Lobby in their bling section. And I went ahead and just made a little wallet. I haven't put anything in there yet, but I think that came out really cute. And whoever I gift this to, I'll put some goodies in there. Super cute, right? And then I also had to add a lip balm because every purse needs lip balm, right? You cannot go anywhere without lip balm in your handbag. So I went ahead and made one of these, and I used this little small bookmark die. It's another die from my stash. I'm sorry, I forgot to pull that one. And then I stamped out "You're the Bomb," and I added a little tiny heart from a die, and then added this pretty ribbon, and then just stuck this little tag. And this is actually, I don't think I brought it down, but this is actually an MFT tag set. It's a tag shaker set, and it came with a lot of different tiny tags. So I used a tiny tag off of that particular set, and I think it came out really, really cute. And here's that little opener to open it up. And it's just a really fun die, and it's a fun gift, and I figured this is perfect to stick in my little tote. So that is my project share for today. Of course, leave me a comment. If you have any questions, please check the description box. And then if you can't find what you're looking for, just leave it in the comment section below. Please check out all of the ladies in the collaboration for Saturday morning crafts. And I am hosting a giveaway, and I apologize, I didn't do it last time because I was on vacation. But please leave me a comment, be a subscriber, like and share. And make sure you watch all the other ladies' videos and leave comments, subscribe, and share on their channels as well. I will do a drawing. I think it will be within a week, and I am going to be giving away a few dies. So stay tuned for that, and I will announce the winner probably within a week. I can't remember the date we're supposed to announce, but thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.